Me having an allergic reaction and taking Benadryl.
Okay, we're rolling. Hello, sir. We are from MTV show called Ghosted, and we wanted to know, how come you've been avoiding this young lady? Who is she? Sir, let's not do this. We literally know for a fact that you've been talking to this young lady for the past 4 months.
Where's the proof?
This the proof. This you? Is this you on a FaceTime call? 4K, bro. 4K. I never seen that man in my life. What is your problem? Why can't you just acknowledge that you talked to this girl? Get that camera out my face. Yo, what is wrong with you? Like, seriously, what is wrong with you?
He's so sexy.
Are you not capable of having a normal conversation? What is wrong with you?
Nigga noodle. Nigga noodle. Nigga noodle.
Being on Disney Channel is great, and it's provided me with a lot of opportunities. I've achieved my dream of becoming an actor, I get to do what I love, and I've interacted with so many amazing fans. But there is a downside to having so many followers: cyberbullying. Sometimes I get up to 1,000 hate messages on my social media posts, but I just let it roll off my back. My best advice is to ignore them and act like you don't care. And I know it can be hard sometimes, but if you don't take the bait, they'll eventually get bored and just back off. And don't be afraid to hit that block button.
So, you like ducks and miners? Guacamole nigga penis. Why ain't I doxed yet? Huh? Why?
He needs some milk.
Oh my God!
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在香港这座城市的
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Shot with him today. Promo 10. Alright, number 1, we got B. Number 2, we got E. Number 3, we got E. Number 4, we got B. Number 5, we got B. And number 6, we got G.
Shit. Goddamn, what the fuck is in there? Did they cook the motherfucking chicken?
Fuck no, baby.
It's hard to imagine when you are in these places.
Dude, this is making me
ever loving
depressed.
yourself again.
What the fuck do you think he
But at
feels,
the same
dude? He's got
time-
other videos that says, I am depressed. My suicide story. Like, it must not be a good suicide story if he can tell it.
I've spoken about.
Fuck no, baby.
I was going to wait until the official YouTuber apology video came out where she's not wearing any makeup and has her hair in a bun and is wearing a big smushy sweatshirt.
Oh my God!
First, I want to start this video by saying thank you.
Howard.
Anne.
Are you more interesting than you look?
It's all in the mind, eye of the beholder, Anne.
What do you do?
I'm a business development manager for a large bank in the Northeast.
Okay. Tell me if there's anything interesting about your job.
Absolutely not. No. It's interesting to me, but I'm sure that it would probably go right over your head.
Okay. Why Doris?
Doris, when she missed the question, she took up a larger amount of time than necessary.
Okay, you're always very quick, are you, Howard?
In some things, yes. In other things, I like to take my time, if you know what I mean.
I've absolutely no idea what you mean. What do you mean?
Somehow, I don't doubt that.